Ireland has been a member of the European Union since 1973. European Union membership is worth about 30 billion a year to Ireland in trade. But for each of us as individuals, it makes it easier for us to be able to travel throughout Europe, to do business, to work in other countries, to study in other countries. But Europe has got to continue to play an even more important role in the world. In a world that could be dominated by the United States and China, it is really important that we have a strong European voice at the decision-making table, using the fact that the EU is the world's largest economic bloc, but also our soft power, to ensure the rule of law is respected, to ensure fair trade, and also to ensure human rights and respect for democracy. My party, Fianna Fáil, took us into the European Union, and I'm proud of the fact that as a party that we have consistently played our part in building the European Union and ensuring that Ireland plays an active part in that. There are always ways that we can improve the European Union, but as a body, it has a really important role in shaping this globe's future. So whether it's on issues around climate change, or on fair trade, or the rule of law, or protection of human rights globally, the European Union has to play an essential part, and Ireland must be at the centre of that.